Hey guys, I just gotta do a quick little sort of unhinged rant here. The other day I saw a video from Alaska Prepper, and he was complaining that Kellogg's announced that their prices are gonna go up next year, and I just kind of lost it because Kellogg's workers have been on strike due to shitty working conditions, long hours, and unfair slave wages for a while, and just, taking all the humanity and the actual story of what's happening out of it just to complain that prices are going to go up and tell people to run out and stock up on things that this company makes when they're exploiting the shit out of their workers. It doesn't make any sense to me. Plus, the tornadoes that just ripped through the South and the Midwest, they killed workers that were made to stay in factories during tornado alarms. I mean, how can you ignore that? I know we're all trying to prepare and survive and prep here, but you've got to look at the big picture and what's actually going on with these corporations. I mean, you're getting upset at the wrong people here. These corporations like Kellogg's and this candle factory and Walmart and Amazon, they need to be boycotted. We're not running over there to stock up on things from them. There are other options. I mean, the people who own these corporations are awful and horrible, and they're making the world a worse place. So I don't know why we'd want to run out and stock up on their stuff. We need to boycott these places and actually, get angry at the right people, the millionaires and the billionaires who are wrecking the planet right now for profit. I mean, most of these prepping and homestead channels, you guys bring religion into it, and I don't get, let's run out and stock up on stuff from these large corporations that are harming other people, just like us, the people who work there, and the people who live on this planet, everything that lives on this planet. I mean, look at this whole system. It's just a dead end. There are better ways. Don't support these corporations that are exploiting the planet and their workers. Just, look at what's going on and think about it.